How's it going, YouTubers? My latest project is cleaning the concrete of my driveway. As you can see, it's pretty lengthy. This is a pretty large area here. But, there's all kinds of discussion online of which cleaners do best, there's just tons of different opinions on that sort of stuff. So I've already done one section, and this was with diluted simple green. This guy down here. But I'm going to try a few others to see how they compare. I just happen to have some simple green crystal, so I'm going to try that. And then I'm going to try another highly rated one, Zep Industrial Purple, as well as the good old-fashioned outdoor bleach. Got some construction going around here, so excuse any loud noises you may hear. We're going to try these four here, and I'm only using a little 2200 psi electric pressure washer. And so what I've done so far here, pretty noticeable improvement. That's just diluted simple green and washing it off. No scrubbing, no nothing. And I'm pretty pleased with that. But just for the sake of it, I'm going to try the others to see if they do any better or if I can move along any quicker, because it's quite a slow process, as you probably know. So we're going to try a few others and show the results, so hang tight.